News uncovered new numbers that show fewer undocumented immigrants deported from Atlanta. New at 6, Channel 2's Justin Gray reports from Washington the numbers have gone down dramatically in the past 4 years.
When I went along with immigration agents on this early morning raid, they had very specific targets.
Got 2 embezzlement charges, both felonies.
ICE administrators tell us they're focusing their efforts on priority cases like convicted criminals.
If you've got somebody who's a felon and who's a threat, obviously that's a priority as compared to a nanny whose main offense is taking care of your child.
But new information we've uncovered shows that while ICE has been following those priorities, deportations have gone way down. I learned the number of deportations out of the Atlanta field office has dropped almost in half, from more than 8,000 in 2012 to about 4,400 in the fiscal year that just ended in March.
What we consider backdoor amnesty kind of thing.
Republicans in Congress charge it's an intentional effort to ignore the law.
And what's happening is really what we believe is a moving away from enforcement, a moving away from securing the borders.
But ICE says they're dealing with limited resources. Democrats say Congress itself is responsible for that.
If Congress allocates enough money to deport only 4% of the undocumented population, who made that choice? It was Congress.
In testimony before Congress this week, the head of ICE blamed part of the drop in deportations on having to divert resources to the border to deal with the surge of unaccompanied children who crossed last summer. Reporting in Washington, Justin Gray, Channel 2 Action News.